Right everyone, I'm going to do a video today on 10 young pullets I've bred. All shamo, different strains. Right, this is bred out of a ginger shamo from Chriso in Germany, back to a Sauron Rush hen that I'm putting back to. I've got two sisters to her, I'm going to show you, two full sisters. Then there is one half sister to her as well. I think she's roughly about 3.5 months. 3.5 month old. I'll show you the sisters to her. This has been my pick out of them three. Pull it. She's the same way bred. What I do, I'll put a photo of the father in the video so people can see what they're bred out of. Very, I'm going to be keeping this one back to myself. Very nice pullet. If you have a look at all colouring in her chest, like all the lace going through it. She's the same age. Very good heads on them. As they get older, their eyes go clear. They're pretty much clear already. Yellow legs. That's that one. I've got one more from that batch. This pullet here, she's a darker colour. With gold going through, she's got a bit of gold. Going through her back. For 3 months I've got the shoulders already. Real nice shoulders on them. Very good shape. It's going to be big birds, very big birds. All their feet's perfect. No twisted toes or bent feet or anything, they're all perfect. 3 very special pullets, I think. Still only young, got a lot more developing to do. All the patterns coming through on the back, all that gold. She's bred out of a ginger, that's coming through. The tails ain't even through yet, but it's young. Right, this is the half sister to them. Bred from the same bird, back to a pure white hen. It's come out a very unusual colour. Yes, that's the half sister to them 3. Bred out of a ginger bird. Like I said, I'm going to put a picture of him in the video. Back to a pure white hen from Germany again, imported shamo hen from Germany. And I bred the patterns and everything going through her. Great colouring. That's the first one I've seen this colour. She's a tiny bit older. Just in it. Pull it around, so it's still young. Well, that's them. A few sisters there. I'm going to move on to some of the blacks I've bred. One strain of black. She's I think about 2 months, 2-month old. This is my favourite strain out of everything I breed. My favourite are the blacks. Look at the shoulders on her already. She's only 2 months. But for a pullet. Shape to them. It's unreal for young birds. Very good heads, eyes, beaks, everything on them's perfect. It's that one. I've got all the matching stags to them. All the matching. This is my own strain again. Black shamo. For me, I do love the blacks. I don't think you can beat a black shamo. We've got a lot of different colours, all different colours, but the blacks are the best in my opinion. Should have imagined she's about 3.5 months, this young pullet. Very, very nice shape of her. Look at that. All in very good condition as well. Condition. Got some real nice pure black stags as well. Well, I'll do a video on the stags a bit later. This is just a video for the pullets. Show everybody the pullets. These now, I done a video about a year or so ago. I was trying to get the yellow legs in them. Just starting now on these pullets, they're coming through with the yellow legs. As she gets older, they come bright yellow, the legs will, which I'm real happy with. It took me a couple of years to breed it out because mainly in the blacks, they have black legs as well. I've still got a few pullets with the black legs, but she's one that's come out with yellow legs, which I'm trying to breed into the ends. The stags that had it, always had it, but it's difficult to get it into the pullets. Very, very good. See? Yellow legs coming through now. Very, very nice. Right, now I get on some different colours. This is a blue splash pullet. Very good shape to them. The lighter coloured birds, they always come up with the lighter legs, beaks, clear eyes. It's preference, but for me I do prefer the yellow legs on shamos. They can have darker coloured legs, but I prefer the yellow. Shake them. Two big twins. It's a very good strain of bird. So that one, I've got another, she's got a bit of like duckling coming in the neck. This young right there. She's younger again. She's a real young pullet. We can have a look at the duckling, like that silver coming in her neck. I bred I think it was last year, I bred a stag. And he came out like a golden duckling colour. This year I bred the pullet. As she gets older, that'll come through a bit more. I've got a few more. Well, I've got a lot more. I've got, altogether I have about another 30 pullets. This is just a couple I'm showing people today. I've got about another 30 pullets. I've got a lot of stags. What I do a video on. I'll show you a stag quick, just for the video. A young black bred I've bred. But I will do a video next time on the stags I've bred. But this is just one, just to show people what the stags look like. Very nice stag, I think. Yeah, I've got a lot more birds I've got to do videos on, but let's just show people a few of the pullets I bred. I'll do the stags a bit later. I've got more birds coming over, some more imports, so some new birds to look forward to. And I have got another 50 youngsters I've got to go and pick up. I've got them at my mate's place, got to go and pick them up. So I'll do a video when I get them as well. But that's the video. I hope everybody likes the birds. Whatever one's your favourite, pick out the favourite and leave it in the comments. I like to have people's opinions on them. And yeah, if everybody can carry on liking and subscribing to the channel, that'd be perfect. Thanks everyone, I'll see you next time.